In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autocorrect in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. By default, Microsoft Word keeps autocorrect on and we want to turn it off. It's very easy. Click File at the top of the ribbon, then select Options at the bottom. In the new window, select Proofing. Then navigate under autocorrect options and look for this button. Select it once. In this new window, select autocorrect. Then we're going to untick these 5 options, or only untick the options you want turned off. Then click OK. Then select OK again. And now we can test it. For example, if I type in Monday, in the previous version, it would have made the M a capitalized letter. If I type in a sentence such as hello world, it would have made the H in hello a capitalized letter. And the same if I do 2 accidental capitalized letters next to each other, such as this, it would have changed that. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more Microsoft Word tips and tricks, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.